I was able to leave the upside down so I can come and let you know the holiday bundle gift sets that I am going to be gifting out for this holiday season. A lot of these I'm putting together myself, but there's one that already comes that way. So I want to share those with you today. My skincare bundle is going to focus on makeup removal and cleansing the skin. Now, if you know the recipient and you know that they don't necessarily care about, let's say, what type of cleanser they use to take off their makeup or just wash their face in general, I recommend gifting the Garnier SkinActive, and you can pick which one you feel that the person would like. I'm picking the Deep Pore because I feel that this one will be fine for all skin types, even if you have dry skin. I have normal to dry, it's worked fine, but it is geared towards someone, well, the marketing states it's geared towards skin types that are oily, but it works wonderful if that person uses a device, cleansing device, to cleanse their skin. This is going to work fine. So I think it's a good gift option. Next up are cleansing wipes. Now I'm gifting the Skinfood one, the rice brightening one. You may be able to find Skinfood at Ulta with the buy one get one 50% off. So again, depending on the person you're giving it to, I would recommend the second item. Let's say if you want to do half off, or you keep that item, is the Skinfood wash off mask, the sugar, black sugar. That'll be a good exfoliator to get the dead skin cells off. But this is number one. Highly recommend, and goes well with the cleanser. To wrap up the skin bundle will be the Oil-Free eye makeup remover, and this is the up and up version from Target. So this is my favorite one. This comes in a set of 2 that you can also do, so one for you and one for that other person, and it will get all their makeup off. If you want to give them cotton balls or cotton pads to take off their makeup, you're welcome to do that as well. My next bundle is going to be what I call a personal care gift, and it's 3 of the things that I feel, again, a recipient will like, because he or she can really kind of take care of themselves, take care of their skin as well, but just really feel really calm and relaxing for the holiday season. So the first one is the hand cream. This is from Nivea. Now this is fabulous. I keep it in my purse. I have one in my car. I also gave one to my son. This is the Refreshing Soft Moisturizing Cream with jojoba oil and vitamin E for incredible soft skin. This is like $2.50, $3 at Walmart. This is where I'm only able to find it. It's probably on Amazon too, but it is so good. Just like the Nivea body wash, just like the Nivea cream, the body lotion that I use and recommend all the time. This is like for your hands. No skin irritations and no eczema breakouts, so I definitely recommend that. And of course, because it's so affordable, grab one for yourself too. Next is a collection of lip scrubs that I actually picked up at Ulta. So hopefully they still have these. This is from the brand Fizz and Bubble. It's their holiday lip scrub collection. You get 5 lip scrubs in here. They're all different types of flavors. Like there's one that says bubblegum, blueberry, there is a sugar. I can't see what it says in here. Another thing that's good is it doesn't have coconut oil in it, which is something I can't have. I'm not going to open it up because it is for a gift, but if you want to break it apart too, you can do that, and put this in however you gift it, whatever you put it in, you can break it apart. Take one for yourself. Always take one for yourself to try it out. But it's a great thing. It's $10, $12. It might have been less than that. It might have been. It was not expensive. Of course, I'll have the link and so forth in the info box. The last item is something I feel that a lot of people will enjoy because it is calming, but it tastes delicious. This is my second pack of Celestial Seasons. This is their seasonal favorite. This just happens to be the Caramel Apple Dream. It's caffeine free. So I actually have 2 more varieties to show you for the last gift item. But any type of herbal tea, caffeine free, something again to relax. You can get chamomile, you can get lemon, honey vanilla, chamomile. I've seen just whatever you feel is appropriate. Hopefully your recipient likes tea. If they don't, you can get it in the coffee version too, but this is something I really look forward to, their seasonal scents. Now I stock up so I can enjoy it throughout the year. Very calming, and it goes good. Personal care, you got the lotion, soft hands, soft lips, soft mind, soft everything inside. Next item already comes in a bundle. I feel for the lips, because I do love to give lip products for holiday gifts. This is the best lip bundle set, and it's for a good deal. It's the ColourPop Designer Collection, so the Princesses Collection. This retails for $18, and you have, I feel, everything inside, and it's already giftable because it's done for you. This one is my box, so I get to show it. It did have the tape on the side, but once you open it up, then you have the 3 products. So you have the lip gloss, you have the infamous Belle lipstick, and then you have the eyeshadow. Now, if you want to break it apart and gift it, you can do that, but I feel the set is the way to give it because it's just perfect. If you get the individual lipsticks in the packaging, the little lipstick packaging matches this picture, but it's such a tiny little photo and, you know, little bullet lipstick. But here it's blown up. You actually have it in a big box, well, big enough. You can take this out or you can keep it. So my point is, this is actually truly like a collector's box. Keep in mind, the only way to get the 5 new glosses is to get it in the lip kit, and the colors are beautiful for each princess. I think they just complement it. And I know that ColourPop has pissed off a lot of people by that because the lip glosses themselves are not being sold individual or like in a bundle. And I don't think that they're going to do that. I mean, this is with Disney. They need to pay Mickey too. Mickey Mouse is too booked to be bothered about us and what we got going on. He's like, if you want the gloss, you gotta buy the box. So unfortunately, that's what you need to do. My last bundle is actually going to be given to my son's teacher's aides. So I have quite a few. So it just depends on which one I'm gonna give it to because they're all female and I know who likes what. So here's something where I personally do this quite often. I will take a mug, so you can get a holiday mug, you can get a cup, you know, get one that's not very expensive. You wanna wrap up some holiday tea to go with the mug. Again, this is Candy Cane Lane. This is actually one I recommend. It's in my favorites. It is so good. It is actually green tea. It's decaf and it has like hints of vanilla. It's absolutely fantastic. I think this is the first year I've actually have tasted this. I'm buying it so I can have it throughout the year. It's that vanilla taste. So good. Along with the holiday tea, I am going to be gifting these for the aides. And so these are the little ornaments with the small size, and it says limited edition on the packaging. These I got at Walmart. So each one was about $4.50, 88 cents, but still a great buy, and you can put it in the cup as well. These are just miniature versions of the brushes. I already have used them, so I feel that, you know, they can use the brushes and I can recommend it at least and say these are good brushes. So this is their mini medium blush brush, so you can put that in the cup. This one is the mini eye duo. I mean, look at that. Isn't this great? I think they're great for not only the gifts, shoot, for yourself too. This is great for travel. Everything is like for myself as well. Then this is the mini buffing brush. I would actually use that for foundation because it has that shape that I like. And the last one is the Miracle Beauty Ball Sponge. This is actually the circle version. It comes in different versions. You can get one that has like the slant in it. I forgot what color that is with the slant, but I just got the purple and I thought it would be, you know, fun. So you can put it in the cup if you like, however you want to decorate it, put the little tea in it, but they're inexpensive gift giving items to give for like your teachers. You can, you know, whoever you gift them to, your hairdresser, your mailman, trying to think who else, you know, just people in your life that you appreciate that do things for you every day, FedEx, UPS. Those are my bundle kits that I'm going to be putting together and gifting for this year. And I do hope it's been helpful for you if you needed some gift giving ideas. I'm wishing you all a wonderful and a happy holiday season. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching. I always appreciate it. And as always, I'm going to see you in the next video and I will be out of the upside down. Goodbye, everyone.